welcome back to my channel. I'm Prameet Kaur and I hope you all are doing good. So I know you all must have read the title. I know that. So I was saying that you must have read the title. I know that today I'm going to get my third tattoo. For which I'm super late because I had an appointment at 11 a.m. and it is, I don't know, I think 11:30 or 11:40 maybe, and I'm still not ready. I am making the video. I have to book the cab. I have to, oh my god, I'm going to be so late for this. Okay, so let me cut the long story short. The time I got my first two tattoos, I was off from social media, so I did not got a chance to share the idea behind those two tattoos, like the meaning or why I got them at the first place, blah 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 blah. But now I want to share it. So the first tattoo that I got was the first tattoo that I got was on my finger. Okay, so it is very hard to show the tattoo on finger. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, this. It says Innate, which means giver of affection and giver of love. That makes me an affectionate and lovable person. Thank you so much. The second tattoo that I got was on my wrist, which says how precious life. The story behind this tattoo, or you can say why I wanted this tattoo over here on my wrist and nowhere else, is uploaded on my Instagram profile, so you can go and check it out there. Now comes the third tattoo. I have a list of tattoos that I want. I hope my mom didn't listen that or she's gonna kill me. I mean, right now she just knows that okay, this is going to be my last one, but so yeah, I'm going to get ready side by side because I'm getting super late. Yeah, so I was saying, the third tattoo that I'm going to get has again a very special meaning. It is going to be super, not it is going to be, I mean it is super close to me. The fact that I believe in spirituality and everything related to that, this tattoo is going to fit perfectly with the reason why I got it. And it is going to hold a very special place in my heart. Though every tattoo has a special place in my heart. सबके अपने अपने कमरे मेरे दिल में जो भी, but yeah. And I am ready now. Allow me to take you along with me to show you what I got. Hi guys, so I am back. My arm is like this because इस पे tattoo बने हुए हैं. Tattoo बने हुए हैं, tattoo बने हुए हैं, tattoo बना हुआ है नहीं. Yes, I said it. Tattoo बने हुए हैं because there is not one tattoo but two tattoos. So while I was in the studio, I uploaded a story on Instagram saying that, oh my god, the weather is so beautiful right now. Anyway, so yeah, I uploaded a story saying that I have a little surprise for all of you, and the surprise is that I planned to get one tattoo today, but I ended up getting two tattoos. So the moment you all have been waiting for, my tattoos, let me show you what I got today. The third tattoo, about which all curiosity was there on my Instagram profile from past 2 days, is 11/11. So literally 3% of you people guessed it right. Like I uploaded a question sticker 2 days back on my Instagram, and most of you said faith is the answer. Like you guys guessed it, faith, but no. Then many of you were like inspiration, positivity, inspiring, sky's the limit, freedom, and whatnot. Some of you said that I'm going to get my initial, that is P, but no, that is not correct as well. Now most of you must be thinking, what does 1111 means? Well, Google it after the video ends to know about it in detail, and then you will understand why I said in the beginning of the video that 1111 is going to fit perfectly with the reason why I wanted to get it done, as I believe in spirituality. So yeah, now it's time for the fourth tattoo, and probably the last for now. Ta-da! So it is Pisces zodiac sign. I'm a Piscean, and it's the fourth tattoo. So I got this and this today, and these are the tapes to, I mean, it's probably like you here, I don't know if you can see or not, to cover it from the heat, water for 4 to 5 days, and then I can remove it, or it will remove automatically. अपने आप ही remove हो जाएगी. Yeah, that is it. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or I will upload a question sticker on my Instagram so that you can go and ask me there. I would love to answer all of your doubts. I would love to answer all of your doubts and questions. And that is it, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.